Hello, this is Group 4. There are 5 people. My name is Nguyễn Văn Tuyền.
My name is Văn Ngọc Đức.
My name is Nguyễn Ngọc An.
My name is Nguyễn Quang Huy.
My name is Phan Phú Tài, and this is my multi-tool. There are many equipment in my multi-tool. For equipment that is used to cut something. First, a pair of scissors. Second, a blade, and 2 types of saw. This is a can opener to open some cans. And next, you can see that this is a box opener with it combined with a flat type screwdriver. And next, you can see that this is three kinds of chisel. Especially some chisel have a file to make something smooth. And besides, there is a cross type screwdriver. Moreover, this multi-tool can help you to open some wire with wire opener.
I talk about you multi-tool. This is blade. It has cut anything, and there are 2 saw, 1 and 1. This is chisel. I have a 2 box opener, and especially it has flat type screwdriver. I have a pair of scissors. It has closure, paper, and many things. It's a file, 2 type, and there are a pair of pliers. It has kit and cut. Besides, I had a ruler. It has 2 types. It's centimeter and inch. And after, it's an adapter. You can use connect. And I have a 40 type of screwdriver and a box spanner. You bust a screwdriver and you use it's useful. So you want to use a box opener, your box spanner, you use connecting to 3 seconds, and this useful. Thanks for watching.